In 1947, California, USA, Instant Upright pioneered the first ever aluminium scaffold system. Since then, we have supplied innovative aluminium scaffold systems worldwide. Today, its quick-erect boiler access system offers leading power companies across the globe a major opportunity to reduce its downtime costs by millions of dollars every year. The Instant Upright range of products provides quick, effective and economical solutions to customer access requirements. This is achieved by utilizing a combination of standard components to reduce downtime significantly. Our 90,000 square feet state-of-the-art European production factory is home to the most advanced alloy tower production facility in the world. Our complete product range is manufactured in compliance with national and international technical standards. To manufacture to these standards means that we only supply quality products delivered on time and to specification. We guarantee our customers the highest quality, durability and safety when using our products. Instant Upright aluminium scaffold systems are lightweight, high-strength scaffold systems, designed for fast, easy assembly without tools. They are a versatile, low-maintenance solution to virtually any access requirement. Key to our success is our rib grip method used to produce aluminium tower systems. The rib grip cold form joint system is a unique method for producing aluminium frames. Frames are assembled using CNC assembly to ensure consistent quality. The rib grip joint is 3 times stronger and 10 times more resilient to cracking than a welded joint. This program will highlight the key advantages and successes of our quick-erect boiler access system and demonstrate the specific features and benefits of the system when compared to traditional steel scaffold frames. The quick-erect boiler access system offers significant revenue earnings, fixed cost savings, faster accessibility, and a safer all-access work environment. This lightweight, high-strength, flexible access system is simple to install and comes with worldwide backup support and a 5-year warranty. The quick-erect boiler access system comprises 2 key high-strength aluminium components, the 2-meter snap-out cube and the high-strength Spandeck access bridge. The snap-out sections are compact and light to handle, weighing approximately 40 kilograms. A complete 2-meter scaffold cube folds neatly into an easily managed bundle that will pass through an aperture of 36 centimeters. Once it's in the work location, the bundle unfolds to form a complete scaffold cube. Erected within seconds, it provides a rigid 2-meter high cubic structure. This unique folding system with no loose components prevents loss and incorrect assembly. Only the platform, ladder and toe boards need to be added. Further levels are handled in exactly the same manner, building a tower to the height required, which can be up to 100 meters. The Instant Spandeck bridge is a lightweight aluminium walkway and decking system spanning up to 7.4 meters and provides a safe work platform. Its unique reversible design allows it to be used individually as a catwalk or side by side to create a large deck area. Installation is quick and simple. Spandeck provides the simple, modular, cost-effective solution to high-level access requirements. Spandeck platforms are designed specifically to give you greater performance than traditional style fabricated decks. The quick-erect boiler access system affords all maintenance and inspection personnel safe access anywhere within the boiler. Guardrails are fitted at open edges of the scaffold. Inclined stairways and vertical ladders provide access within the towers. The lightweight Spandeck platform can be fitted at whatever level required. A complete deck area can be supplied just below the superheater. Additional towers can give access to the superheater platoons. The snap-out and Spandeck are fitted to lift and erect, and all parts are color-coded for quick assembly. A crew of erectors and labourers, and depending on the boiler configuration, can erect a typical 700 megawatt boiler scaffold system in approximately 4 days, and dismantle it within 2 days. In addition, after removal from the boiler, no specialized cleaning is required. As a result, Approximately 10 days of boiler downtime can be saved per overhaul in comparison with a steel scaffold system. This is equivalent to an additional revenue earning for the power plant of approximately $5 million per outage. In fact, most instant upright boiler scaffolds have paid back the original cost of the system within the first 2 years, and again, depending on the boiler size, can save you over $25 million over the lifetime of the boiler. The Instant Upright Boiler Access System is a product that has justifiably achieved recognition throughout the power industry and has been supplied to in excess of 80 power plants worldwide. The Instant Upright quick-erect Boiler Access System offers the safest, fastest, easiest installation, most cost-effective solution to boiler scaffolding worldwide. Instant. Quality and strength you can trust.